guys, today is the last video of the Makeup for Beginners series. This is episode 3, finally. We're going to be working on talking all about foundation, blush, and lips. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and let's get into the video. First thing that I do when I do my foundation is I prime, and we're going to be using the same primer that I used for my eyes, and I'm just going to be using this Special Effects makeup brush. I currently don't have like a brush like this, so this is what I'm using for my primer. So I'm just going to dig a little bit of the primer out and start applying it. I kind of like to go in sections, so I get all this whole cheek primed first, let that dry, and then go to like my forehead. I like to also go right underneath my eyes so that it can be set for concealing. Just kind of like to use my fingers to kind of blend it even more. Then I'm going to work on my forehead. I'm going to go down to my nose. On my chin and underneath my nose. And now I'm going to start with the cheek, the other cheek. Now I'm going to start from here this time and work my way down. I like to kind of think of it as like putting on a mask, a face mask, with a brush. Aww. So now I can start putting on the foundation. So now I'm going to apply my Derma Blend Flawless Creator foundation. Let's see, focus. It's not focusing. There. This one. And I like the foundations that have the drop in it. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna kind of slightly tilt my head back so it doesn't kind of run off my face. And just start putting on little bits of the foundation. And then I use my beauty blender to blend it. this one really covers up the any blemishes that I have, but I still like to kind of go underneath, like where the bags are. Just to give me extra coverage if I do have any bags. Okay, now that is done, I just kind of let it kind of soak in before I like to put on my concealer. So we are now going to go onto my lips to let the foundation kind of soak into my skin and dry. So, by the way, I put on this Baby Lips from Maybelline, so I can just moisturize my lips before I put on the lip gloss that I have. Okay, now that my foundation is nice and dry, I'm going to start to do my concealer. So, where did I put it? Oh, there, okay. So, first thing is I'm going to be using this Maybelline one. I don't remember what it's called, but I know it's Maybelline. So I'm just going to do underneath my eyes. And that's all the concealing that I really do with this foundation because it really covers up a lot. And now I'm just going to use this brush to blend that all in. So now I'm going to use my Ulta finishing powder. This is in translucent. And I'm just going to set underneath the eyes first before I set everywhere else. I'm going to be using this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to set everything else using this brush. I'm going to do blush and highlight. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel Maxi Blush in the shade Third Base. And then I'm going to be using this brush to apply it. I kind of like to start just kind of like smile and just go in this area and then kind of build it up like the Nike symbol. Just kind of do little circular motions and build it up, and then I blend it with another brush to make it not so harsh. I use this big fluffy brush to just blend it. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl Glow palette. I'm going to take this shade here with my fan brush and just apply it right above the blush. And then I use my finger to blend it. So the thing I don't really like about these brushes, before I didn't like it, but now I really love them. I didn't like how thin some of them were, so I just kind of pinch it like this and kind of go like that when I apply it. But yeah. So now that's done, I'm just going to blend it together a little bit more and kind of blend the edges on my neck because I forgot to do that. And now, normally I would switch between two different colors for lips. I would do like a kind of a pinky color or a red. And I would like to, what I do all the time is I like to match what I'm wearing, kind of. Just like a brown and a pink would go together, I would think. Or like not like a brown and a red, but I'm going to be using the Lip Queen lipstick. I don't remember where I got this, but yeah, it's a different color, but it's a green color, but when you put it on, it's a pink. It's a really, really nice kind of soft pink. I think I'd wear this color more than a red, because I wear more of a red when I'm like doing like special occasions, or I don't know if I'm wearing like really something fancy, but today I'm kind of wearing something fancy, but not really. This is more of like a casual fancy.